Should law firm owners use BNI? I am Christopher Small. I own Law Firm Launch. It's a business set up to help law firm owners get more clients, basically create the life of their dreams. Okay. I also own a law firm, CMS Law Firm, 7-figure law firm, which is kind of cool. And so I'm just out here trying to help all you law firm owners do your thing. Okay. If you want to get more information, check it out. Go to lawfirmlaunch.co. Got some free goodies there. Got a book you can get for free. All kinds of fun stuff. Okay. Lawfirmlaunch.co. All right. So BNI. BNI, I think it stands for like Business Networkers International, something like that. It is an organization with chapters all over the United States. And when I first started my law firm, I was a member. They make you basically sign up for a year. The way that the organization works is every week you have a meeting. And the meeting is usually about 2 hours long, and you're only allowed to have one person from an a field in the room. So like I was the only, at that time I was estate planning. So at that time I was the only estate planning attorney allowed in the group. If there was a PI attorney in there, maybe, then there's a bunch of other people, cleaning services, contractors, plumbers, insurance salesmen, mortgage brokers, real estate agents, all these different people were in there. And you go in every week. It was a lunch for me. Sometimes people do breakfast, and everybody gets up and stands up and says like, well, who they are and what they do. There's like a featured speaker of the week, and that's kind of it. Ends up being like 2 hours long. And the idea is everybody in the group is going to refer business exclusively to everyone else in the group. On its face, it sounds amazing. And if you are in the right industries, it can be pretty awesome. But it is a really big time commitment. Okay, so I'm going to tell you if you should be in it or not. But it's a pretty big time commitment, 2 hours a week. The idea behind the time commitment is asking yourself, can you be doing something different with that time? And what I found in my group, at least, and every group is going to be different, the group that I was in, there were several people that were generating their own leads and referring a bunch of business out to other members in the group. But it was really like 3 people, and they were all in the real estate industry. Okay, they were all hustling for leads, hustling for clients, because it's just kind of in their nature. Most of the other people in the group were sitting around waiting for someone else in the group to send them business. This makes it a tricky group to be in, because the idea is that everyone is out there hustling in the real world to try to create clients. And when they create relationships with those people, if they have needs within the group, then you can refer those people inside of the group. The problem is a lot of people just don't hustle for clients. They don't know how to generate their own clients. They don't know how to do anything other than ask for business from other people. So you create the circumstance where everyone is showing up, everyone is kind of just waiting around for referrals, And the other thing too, by the way, is in addition to the weekly meeting, you're also supposed to have like 1 or 2 or 3 one-on-one meetings. They have this educational stuff that they want you to go to. So it's a pretty big commitment. So when it comes to BNI and law firm owners, my initial response is don't go. All right. Here's what I would do instead. If I could do it all over again, where I would spend my time. Mind you, I was doing this at the same time that I was doing BNI. I would be identifying a specific group of people that I thought would be able to send me business. For estate planning attorneys, it's financial planners. Okay. For personal injury attorneys, it might be divorce attorneys, criminal defense attorneys, maybe chiropractors, maybe. If they marketed to people in car accidents or people that were injured, okay? If I was a divorce attorney, I would probably be reaching out to therapists. Honestly, I would just try to see what I could find out of that group. Bankruptcy attorneys, you could reach out to credit people, you could reach out to bankers, right? I mean, you could reach out to all these kind of different people. I would identify, though, my ideal referral partner. And then I would be having coffees and lunches and meetings with as many of those people as possible, as many as I could. There's no number that's too big. When I was doing this hardcore, I was having like 2 or 3 meetings a day, and I was having like 10 meetings a week. I was drinking a tremendous amount of coffee. But what happens with those conversations is that you're talking with someone that has the opportunity to refer you business immediately. Okay. And that's really what we're looking for, especially when your business is first starting out, when you're trying to get that client base established. You need people that are out there trying to look for people that you can help as well. That's where I would spend my time. That's where I did spend my time. Eventually, I got out of BNI. I started spending more time there. I immediately started to see more of a return on my time investment. In the meantime, I would be creating content. I would be doing a lot of these other things that I talk about on here. But when you get approached for BNI, I would politely decline. Trust me, it's a huge time commitment. Unless it's a super special group, it's not going to be worth it. And when you get in and then get out, let me know so I can say, I told you so. All right. So that is it. As always, if you like this video, hit the like button. If you have a question or comment, leave it. If there's someplace you can follow. I'm always putting out content here. I'm on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. I'm everywhere. So go find me. Podcast as well. And, hopefully you enjoyed this. And if you did, let me know. Okay. Otherwise, go to lawfirmlaunch.co, get some free resources, check things out. There's a Facebook group. I also have a paid group that's awesome. I do monthly trainings. We do live coaching meetings every week, and I share everything I use to create my law firm inside the Law Firm Launch members area. So go check that out as well, lawfirmlaunch.co. All right, that is it. I'm Christopher Small. I'm the owner of Law Firm Launch. I'm the owner of CMS Law Firm. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your attention. I appreciate you. And I'll talk to you again soon. See ya.